Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode on ZTE Blade A32. So you have to start with powering of your device by holding power button and then choose power off option. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press on power button, volume down button and volume up button at the same time. And when the ZTE logo pops up, you can let go of the power button. And now you are in recovery mode, and in here you have to move using volume buttons and select your choice using power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.